Imagine having a tool that works for you 24/7 like a personal assistant, from answering random questions to planning your day step by step. It does it all. That's how I use AI. And today I'm going to show you exactly how AI transformed my life. AI is not just for coders or tech geeks, it is for everyone who wants to make their life simpler and more productive. I use tools like ChatGPT and Claude for literally everything I do. And I'm about to break it down for you. First up, asking questions. Whenever a random question pops up in my mind, or whenever I am curious about something, I just go and type it in ChatGPT and I get the answer very precisely. It can be productivity hack or maybe a fitness tip. It's same like Google, but it gives you answers instead of links. That's the major difference. Answers instead of links. People always try to make their life easier, and direct answers make life more easier than just clicking on random links. And you never know if you'll get the answer. For example, if I just want to improve my sleep, I go to ChatGPT and write a prompt. By the way, the thing you type in ChatGPT is known as a prompt. So, for example, what are the three best tips to make your sleep better? Or what are the three best tips to sleep better? It can be anything. ChatGPT will frame the answer and give you the step by step process. The best part is that you can keep the conversation going until you get your answer. And it's instant. Next, fitness. I use AI to create personalized fitness plans and to track my fitness goals. Let's say I want a weekly workout plan which focuses on strength and cardio. I'll just type it out and ChatGPT will give me a structured plan in a PDF format. For example, I can just write, create a 5-day workout plan that focuses on strength and cardio and add some rest days in between. AI is like my personal planner. AI helps break everything down into actionable steps. And that's the best part. This makes even the biggest goals feel manageable. Complex tasks seem overwhelming, but AI makes them easier. I ask it to break down the task into several different steps, and then I go step by step. For example, I can just write, break down the steps to maybe create an ebook on cryptocurrencies. It will give me everything step by step, from researching, copywriting, proofreading, each and everything step by step. AI is also my script writing buddy. Whenever I have an YouTube video idea, I just go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me some outlines for videos. It creates the best hooks for my videos, best ending lines, and maybe when I give it the info I have, it transforms it into a compelling script. Honestly, there's literally nothing that I don't use AI for. Whether it's brainstorming new ideas, creating content, or literally anything. To get the best results, you must write the best prompts. Yes, you must write the best prompts, and that's an art. So, this is one of the best prompt writing hack. Be precise. Describe everything you can about the task. The more precise your prompt is, the more precise the answer you will get. AI is like having a best friend who is always full of ideas and creativity. So that's how I use AI in my daily life, from productivity to fitness tips to maybe creating content, each and everything. It has made my life 100x more easier than before. 100x more easier, 100x more simpler, 100x more productive. Now I want to hear from you. How do you use AI in your life? And if not, start using it right now. It's easy. Just go to Google and search ChatGPT and log in. Simple. Or if you have an Android or iOS mobile, just download the app from Play Store or maybe App Store. It's easy. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. And also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.